heading out to some trails that I have never done before, but I am excited to try out these new trails. And we are headed off to the Mesa Trailhead. All right, we are officially off the road. Dropping in.
I'm always up for the challenge. Oh, hello. This is great. Oh. That didn't go well. Right now I just killed for a warm towel.
All right, so here I am on day 2. I'm here in the living room, which is where I'll be convalescing for a little bit. So end result was no broken bones, fortunately, but I did take a pretty decent sized chunk out of my chin, and it took 9 stitches to put it back together. The sunglasses that I was wearing put a nice big gouge in my nose, which looked broken, but fortunately it is not. That was just a flap of skin. So that got glued back into place. So no stitches there, which is good. All my teeth are good, hands are good. I got a couple scrapes and bruises on the legs, but otherwise I am good to go. Couple things. Number one, the GoPro took some serious damage. So I'll have to check to see if that lens needs to be repaired. Interestingly, in my GoPro review, well, my review's not out, but in the GoPro Hero 7 versus GoPro Hero 8 video that I did mention that I was concerned about if I did crash and I couldn't replace that lens, that it would need service. So I'm kind of curious how that actually works. I don't even know where I would send that. But I think it might need service. The bike is still in perfect condition. We actually rode it out about 3 miles, so no issue there. Bike is in perfect condition. I might go get the front wheel looked at just to make sure that it's still true, but otherwise everything was good. So honestly, I really was blessed to not have anything really terrible happen to me. I definitely should not have tried to jump that berm. I actually was planning on jumping a berm that was a little further down, but didn't realize that I was jumping a different berm. Like my awareness was not where it was supposed to be, and I was just trying to do something quick and fun while we were kind of resting on the trail. So in the future, I will definitely take things like that with a little bit more observation. I absolutely plan on continuing to mountain bike, although I'll probably be hiking for the next few weeks instead of mountain biking, and initially I'll probably just be hiking or rather biking around the neighborhood. Get my stitches out this Friday, and then I've got a trip to California, so I'll probably be doing a video there, Although to spare you all a lot of this, I'll probably be doing that as voiceover, so you don't have to deal with that. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate all of you. We're about to hit 4,000 subscribers here before the end of 2019. I've been doing YouTube now for 2 years. I've posted about 50 or 60 videos and 4,000 subscribers, when really that was never anything that I had ever imagined. In my first video, I was just pushing really hard to get 100 so that I could get my name on my channel. And so thank you everybody who's supported me through this process. I'm gonna rest, probably not do a whole lot for the rest of the week other than just do some work from home. And I'll get back to posting videos in a week or two. And to catch those, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit that little bell so that it lets you know when I do post a new video. In the meantime, check me out on Instagram. I just posted some really super cool photos that I took out in Red Rock Canyon, and I'm really proud of those. They're really, really cool. So check them out. They're on my Instagram, jblake.photo. I'll put a link down in the description, and it should be sliding out right here in graphics. So check me out there, and I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that is. And hopefully this looks a little less Frankenstein-y.